EXHIBITLINE, the slug and snail killer. EXHIBITLINE slug killer contains natural beneficial nematodes that effectively kill slugs and snails. It's fast-acting, provides a lasting effect, and is very easy to apply. EXHIBITLINE slug killer is effective against most slug and snail species, including Spanish slugs, gray-field slugs, garden slugs, and many others. Here's how to prepare the nematodes for application. Step 1. Fill a jug or bucket with at least 500 milliliters of clean water, up to a maximum of 4 liters. Step 2. Pour the entire contents of the bag into the water. It's best to open the sachets just before you prepare the mixture. Stir the mixture until it is completely dissolved. Step 3. Almost fill a 10-liter watering can with clean water, leaving space for the nematode solution. Then, add a quarter of the prepared solution from step 2 into the can and stir thoroughly until blended. Repeat this, using a fresh 10-liter can, almost full of water each time until all the prepared solution is used. Application rates. If using a watering can, apply at a rate of 1 liter of water per square meter. Use 1 sachet of 12 million nematodes per 40 liters of water. If using a sprayer, dilute 1 sachet of 12 million nematodes into 4 liters of water, then apply the solution at a rate of 1 liter of water per 10 square meters. After spraying, water the treated area with an additional 1 liter of water per square meter to help the nematodes penetrate the soil. If the foliage of the crop may intercept nematodes before reaching the soil surface, rinse the nematodes into the soil with 1 liter of water per square meter, even if the application has been done with a watering can. Keep the soil consistently moist for 3 to 4 weeks after application.
For more detailed information, please visit our website, biolineagrosciences.com. BioLine Agrosciences, cultivating bio-alliances.